It's not right. It's not fair. And he should have to suffer the consequences for his actions. I mean, my mother would still be alive today, I feel, if he would have sent an ambulance.
Criminal charges have been dropped against a former Greene County 911 dispatcher accused of refusing to send help to a dying woman. KDKA's Jennifer Barrasso broke this story tonight at 7:30. She's live now at the Greene County Courthouse and spoke exclusively with the woman's mother about this criminal case coming to an end right before trial. Jen.
Ken, Kelly Tichenal is angry. She's upset. She feels her mother, Diana Kronk, hasn't gotten any justice. She died in 2020. And she tells me the new Greene County DA telling her that she reached out to the Pennsylvania Attorney General's office trying to get them involved, then talked about a plea deal. And now all charges are dropped.
I was not a bit surprised. I seen this coming a year ago when District Attorney Russo lost the election. I knew that this would be dropped.
Just a week before trial, Greene County's new district attorney, Brianna Venata, dropped the criminal charges against then 911 dispatcher Leon Price. The charges were filed by former DA Dave Russo. Diana Kronk's daughter, Kelly Tichenal, says Venata told her she didn't feel she had enough evidence to win a trial. What do you feel? I mean, this was your mother.
Yeah, I feel definitely angry. He had one job to do, and that was to call an ambulance.
In July 2020, Tichenal called Greene County 911 to help her mom. Tichenal pleaded with dispatcher Leon Price. Her mother was unresponsive and turning yellow. Price said he would send an ambulance, but then repeatedly told Tichenal they needed her mother's consent, even though she couldn't speak.
Okay, we'll start an ambulance up there. We really need to make sure she's willing to go first.
She's gonna go. She's gotta go. Because if not, she's gonna die.
How far are you away from the house?
I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Okay, how about calling us back to make sure she's willing to go before we send resources out there in case he says no?
Tichenal lost cell service and couldn't call back. No ambulance was ever sent. Her mother died from internal bleeding the next day, authorities say. Russo filed charges against Price and 3 Greene County emergency officials, Gregory Leathers, Richard Police, and Robert Rhodes. A judge dismissed charges against Leathers, Police, and Rhodes last year. The judge also dismissed the lesser charges against Price, but had allowed involuntary manslaughter and reckless endangerment charges to proceed to court. Greene County DA Venata did not return my call or respond to my email. Price's attorney issued this statement to KDKA that reads in part, "We appreciate District Attorney Venata's reviewing the file and recognizing that Mr. Price's alleged actions did not necessitate criminal charges." Tichenal vehemently disagrees. It's been nearly 4 years since she lost her mom. She lives in agony every day.
You're gonna have to live with this the rest of your life. My mother would be alive if you would have sent an ambulance to that house. You have destroyed my life. Every day I suffer without my mom. And I hope you don't ever forget that.
Leon Price is still employed by Greene County, according to his attorney, while the criminal cases are now over. Price, Leathers, and Police and Greene County face a civil lawsuit from the Kronk family in federal court. Reporting live in Greene County, Jennifer Barrasso, KDKA-TV News.